friends, welcome back. I am here bringing you another farm animal video. Are you excited? Me too. So I know you know what all of our farm animals look like because you helped me match the baby farm animals to the mommy farm animals, and you did awesome with that. But do you think you know all of the sounds that these animals make? You do? Okay, so I have a game. Would you like to play? Raise your hand. Awesome, all of you want to play? I'm so happy to hear that. And it's called Farm Sounds Bingo. And there's a lot of pictures on my board. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pictures. Some of these pictures are animals you find on the farm, and some of them might be vehicles that you find on the farm. The first picture is a rooster. What's the second picture? A goat. And the third picture? A donkey. How about the fourth picture? A tractor. Great. And the fifth? A duck. How about this picture? Number 6. A horse. Good. Let's look at the bottom. What's picture number 7? A cow. Yes. Picture number 8, a pig. And how about picture number 9? Yes, a sheep. Great job. So, do you think you can help me figure out what sounds all of these pictures are making? You do? Okay, so I have a bunch of pom-poms, and if you guess right and you help me, I get to tape a pom-pom to the picture. And our goal to win is we need to put all of these pom-poms on my pictures. Do you think you can help? You do? Okay, now first I need you to put your really great listening ears on. Are they on? Okay, that will help us play. Are you ready for the first sound? Okay, let's see what it is. Keep those listening ears on. What is making that sound? Yes, if you said pig, give yourselves a thumbs up. That is the sound of a pig. Okay, so we are putting one pom-pom on the pig. Okay, ready to keep playing still? Keep those listening ears on. I'm going to pull up the next sound. I think you all know what sound this is. What sound is this? Who knows? Great job. If you said cow, give yourself another thumbs up. That is the sound of a cow. Okay, so I'm going to put the pom-pom on the cow at the bottom. Okay, how many pom-poms are on my farm bingo board? 1, 2. Good, we have 2 pom-poms. Okay, here comes the next sound. Keep those listening ears on. Now this sound might be a little tricky, but I think you boys and girls might be able to get it. Are you ready? Look closely at my pictures. What animal do you think is making that sound? Yes, that is a donkey. Great job. Give yourself another thumbs up. All right, I'm gonna put another pom-pom on my board. It's going on the donkey. How many pom-poms are on my board? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Do you still have both your listening ears on? Good job, keep them on. The next sound is coming up. Let's see. what sound is this? Get ready. What do you think? Yes, great. That is a horse. You boys and girls are doing such a great job helping me find these sounds. All right, we're putting another pom-pom on the board. It's going on the horse. Now, how many pom-poms are on my board? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do the next sound. Now remember, some of the pictures on my farm bingo board are animals and some are not. So really keep your ears open for this next one.
I found a way to run my old
Hold on, we
computers
have an ad.
with no hard drive. Here it is, and it's not an...
Okay, what sound is this? Yes, that is the tractor. Have you boys and girls ever seen a tractor on the farm? You have? Are they small or big? Yes, they are really big, you're right. All right, so I'm going to grab another pom-pom, and where do I put it? On the tractor, good. All right, help me count. How many pom-poms are on my board? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. We only have a few more pictures left. Do you think you can help me keep finding out what sounds they are? Okay, let's see. Let's see the next sound. Okay, make sure your listening ears are on. Great, keep them on. Here is our next sound. What do you think is making that sound? Yes, thumbs up. That is the sound of a goat. Okay, so let's put another pom-pom. My board is filling up. We're putting another pom-pom on the board. Where is it going? Yes, on the goat. How many are on the board? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pom-poms on my board. And we have 3 pictures left. Okay. Here comes the next sound. Get ready. What's making that sound? Yes, great answer. That is the sound of a rooster. I know they're really loud animals. They wake up all of the farm animals. Okay, so our next pom-pom is going where? Yep, on the rooster. How many pom-poms are on my board? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pom-poms are on the board. And how many pictures are left? 1, 2. 2 are left. Let's see if you can help me keep guessing. Remember, yell out the answer if you think you know so you can help me put a pom-pom on. Okay, here comes the next sound. Which one of these animals is making that sound? Yes, thumbs up to you. That is the sound of a sheep. Okay. Another pom-pom is going on my board on the sheet. All right, let's see how many pom-poms are on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many pictures are left? Only one. Okay, let's see. Yell out the answer if you think you know what sound this is. Okay, let me hold up my board. What's making that sound? Yes, correct. Great answer. That's the sound of a duck. All right, let's put on a pom-pom. Putting a blue pom-pom on the duck. Did you fill up my board? Did you help me fill up all of my pictures? You did. Look, each picture has a pom-pom on it. How many pictures did we fill up? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great jobs. Give yourselves 2 thumbs up because that was really tricky and you boys and girls were able to help me guess all of them. So thank you for helping me fill up my board. All right, have a great day. I'll see you boys and girls soon with another video. And remember, try to get outside because it's really nice out and the sun is shining. All right, hope you enjoyed. See you soon.